Yo-ho!
It's the Queen Anne's revenge.
Seems like we found Blackbeard.
And you wouldn't be the only people looking for him. Blackbeard is probably the most famous pirate in history, and his ship, Queen Anne's Revenge, is one of the most well-known for being one of the first pirate ships to be fitted with cannons. He was also known to place lit fuses underneath his hat to give him a menacing appearance, and he once even ransomed the entire port city of Charleston, South Carolina. After the Charleston incident, he laid low for a while in the Americas and even received a royal pardon for his past crimes. But once a pirate, always a pirate.
Blackbeard, you scurvy scoundrel! How dare you sully the crown of Charlemagne! You take that off and give it back!
Not so fast, Burn. You can have your stinking old crown back, but first, you've got to meet a tiny little challenge.
We're up to your challenge.
Are you really?
Triton, a monster who rules the oceans with my spear and my conch. I can create waves large enough to swallow your entire boat. My master, the pirate Blackbeard, has told me to protect his share unless you meet my challenge.
We'll see your challenge, monster, but first, we'll consult a friend of ours.
I am Miss Mahoney, and I teach math at Apex Academy in East Cleveland, Ohio. Today I'm going to teach you about how to solve a magic square. Your mission today is to stop Triton from attacking the pirate ship. And in order to do that, you need to complete the magic square. A magic square is simply just all of the rows, columns, and diagonals add up to the same number. And here's an example of a magic square. And for me to figure out the missing numbers, I would find a diagonal row or column that has all three numbers. And in this case, it's 5, 6, and 7. If I add these three digits up, 5 plus 6 gives me 11, and 11 plus 7 equals 18. I know that my magic square will equal 18 in all of my other rows. So 9 plus 7 is 16. What plus 16 equals 18? 2. So 2 needs to go into this space. So I've now placed the 2 inside of this row. I'm now going to find out what number could fit in this square. 9 plus 5 equals 14. What plus 14 equals 18? 4. So I'm going to put 4 into this magic square, or into that square, to complete the magic square. Finally, I have one last box to fill in, and I can either do 5 plus 10, which equals 15, and subtract that from 18. I can do 7 plus 8, which also equals 15, and 9 plus 6 equals 15. So what number plus 15 equals 18? 3. I have now used a different number for each box, and each one of my rows, columns, and diagonal adds up to 18. So your job is now to complete the magic square that's provided in your book to help identify what Triton looks like so you can prevent him from attacking the pirate ship. Good luck on this mission. I know you can do it.
Yo-ho!